First Chronicles chapter 25. Moreover, David and the captains of the host set apart for the service certain of the sons of Asaph, and of Heman, and of Jeduthun, who should prophesy with harps and psalteries, and with cymbals. And the number of them that did the work according to their service was, of the sons of Asaph, Zakkur, and Yosef, and Nathaniah, and Asharaelah, the sons of Asaph, under the hand of Asaph, who prophesied according to the order of the king. Of Jeduthun, the sons of Jeduthun, Gedaliah, and Thari, and Yeshayahu, Shabiyahu, and Mattithiyahu, 6, under the hands of their father Jeduthun, with the harp, who prophesied in giving thanks and praising Yahweh. Of Heman, the sons of Heman, Bukiyahu, Mattaniyahu, Uzziel, Shabuel, and Yerimoth, Hananiah, Hanani, Eliathah, Gidalati, and Romamti Ezer, Yoshbekasha, Maloti, Hothir, Mahaziot. All these were the sons of Heman, the king's seer, in the words of God, to lift up the horn. And God gave to Heman 14 sons and 3 daughters. All these were under the hands of their father for song in the house of Yahweh, with cymbals, psalteries, and harps, for the service of the house of God. Asaph, and Jeduthun, and Heman, being under the order of the king. And the number of them with their brothers that were instructed in singing to Yahweh, even all that were skillful, was 288. And they cast lots for their officers, all alike, as well the small as the great, the teacher as the disciple. Now the first lot came forth for Asaph to Yosef, the second to Gedaliah. He and his brothers and sons were 12. The third to Zakkur, his sons and his brothers 12. The fourth to Yithri, his sons and his brothers 12. The fifth to Nathaniah, his sons and his brothers 12. The sixth to Bukiyahu, his sons and his brothers 12. The seventh to Yesharaelah, his sons and his brothers 12. The eighth to Yeshayahu, his sons and his brothers 12. The ninth to Mattaniyahu, his sons and his brothers 12. The 10th to Shimei, his sons and his brothers 12. The 11th to Azarahel, his sons and his brothers 12. The 12th to Hashabiah, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 13th, Shubael, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 14th, Mattithiyahu, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 15th, to Yeremoth, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 16th, to Hananiah, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 17th, to Yoshbekasha, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 18th, to Hanani, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 19th, to Malothi, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 20th, to Eliathah, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 21st, to Hothir, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 22, to Giddalti, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 23, to Mahazioth, his sons and his brothers 12. For the 24, to Romamti Ezer, his sons and his brothers 12.